So when you receive your SP, it will look similar to this one. There'll be things zip tied up and held in place for shipping. But the first thing you want to do is to inspect the machine for any shipping damage. So look everywhere around the machine, on top, around the bottom, around the edge. And if you do notice any shipping damage, please note that on the bill of lading so it can be addressed. So the next thing you want to do is open up the machine. There's, under this cover, there'll be a key. It's an extra spare key, zip tied in place, and that will open these side doors. Up in this document box here, there will be your engine manual from Caterpillar and your information for your Caterpillar engine warranty. You'll need to fill that out and send it in so you get the engine warranty. Make sure you do that. Also inside of this box will be the rest of your keys for the machine. You'll have 2 ignition keys and 2 more door keys. At this point, we'll open the machine to inspect inside. So we can open all of these doors. At this point, you can go to the other side and open those doors, but look around inside and make sure, again, that you've inspected the machine for any possible shipping damage. We don't expect there to be any, but just to note it. And then, if you want to start the machine, you'll have to make sure that this battery, this kill switch, is in the on position. Other things to look for in your hopper. Make sure that your hopper's latched in place. You'll have the rest of your documents. Inside here, there's also all of your documents on a flash drive. I don't know if you can see that here. Your toolbox, and underneath the hopper grate will be just a 5-gallon bucket with some slick line in it for lubricating your pipeline. Your exhaust and your intake may be covered with a plastic wrap. Make sure you take that off before attempting to start the machine.